Hello! Do you want to know how you can make more than $30,000 a month? Then watch this short video to the end so as not to miss the most important thing. Let me tell you about Volusion, which I really like and have been working with for a long time. I will show you a few secrets that few people know about, but which are very useful. Watch carefully, we're getting started. One of the reasons Volusion is so popular with store owners is the fact that it has many features built right into the dashboard. In other words, you don't need to buy expensive add-ons through a separate app store. Volusion, for example, offers everything from pricing options to RTF product descriptions. Built-in SEO is pretty easy to understand, and integrations with places like Amazon Marketplace and eBay. With live and abandoned carts, store owners can quickly get an overview of which customers are currently completing an order, as well as which customers have abandoned their cart. Volusion invites you to send emails to customers who have abandoned their carts. However, unlike other platforms that offer this as an automatic process, you need to send these emails manually. And if you have a lot of customers, then these can quickly become quite frequent, mandatory process. However, the new one-page checkout has been tested and shown to reduce the number of abandoned carts in your store. If you are far from your computer, you can keep an eye on your store on the go. This is thanks to their native iOS and Android apps, which allow you to check incoming orders as well as keep track of stock levels. One great feature is the ability to process orders on the phone directly from the control panel. In other words, if you have a contact number listed on your website, customers can call you and place their order in person. All you have to do is open the console and enter the required information. Mobility is Volusion's strength, from responsive templates to mobile-optimized checkout models. This means shoppers and store owners can easily navigate Volusion stores from any device. Volusion had some other unique features, but it did a great job owning those that are important to merchants. With this approach, you can see that the user interface has improved and beginners are more likely to find Volusion available. As for the new version 2 of Volusion, we are starting to see some additions that will appeal to old and new users. For example, customer reviews are now standard across all Volusion locations. There is also integration with Zapier to create your own combinations with your email or sites like Facebook and Slack. Volusion used to only have a handful of getting started guides, but now that has changed. Not only do you get great video support in the dashboard, but the basic steps to create your site are highlighted in the main area. For example, you can click buttons to select a design, upload a logo, and add products. To constantly monitor the status of your website, Volusion offers several reports right on the dashboard. This way, you can see that sales are going well and if something needs to be changed. Other than that, you have direct access to buttons for orders, customers, inventory, marketing, design, reports, and settings. Version 2 from Volusion has added a quite few elements that make it easier for the user to set up and sell online. The first benefit is simplified onboarding, where you are presented with a process to quickly select themes, add products, and launch your online store. With the growing popularity of dropshipping, Volusion answered the call with the full dropshipping integration system. The dropshipping app is completely free and allows you to search for items to sell in a wide range of categories. Also, the product selection seems to be quite large, which means that you can choose the type of store you want to launch or create a chain of stores. The site editor has also seen improvements with the launch of version 2. Overall, it allows you to make changes to your site on the fly without relying solely on your computer. Along with improved imaging features and the ability to purchase mailings directly through Volusion, version 2 is sure to be big for both users who are more hungry for Volusion's user interface and the company itself. As long as there is a 14-day free trial to start over, you will have fewer options to choose from when you decide to splash your money. The 4 premium plans now start at $29 per month for the personal plan and range all the way up to a customized price with Volusion Prime. The good news about the revamped Volusion pricing plan is that it costs a little less if you are willing to pause every year. In fact, you save 10% on annual plans. Whether you opt for an annual or monthly package, you can look forward to the following. Personal plan. The cheapest Volusion plan is $29 per month. It gives you all the e-commerce features you need, including secure payments and social media integration. If you are just starting out online, selling goods as a hobby, or spanking homemade goods, then a personal plan is for you. You won't be able to have more than 100 products listed in your store, so this is not good for big brands. Professional plan. At first glance, the professional plan looks like a real leap from the personal plan. However, you get a significant boost in features. For $79 per month, you can access a range of advanced features, including cart abandonment reports, phone orders, CRM, and eBay or Amazon integration. Whether you need newsletters for your clients or a review section for social confirmation, this is the plan for you. Business plan. If you really mean business, you may need to upgrade to a business plan. This strategy can support stores that make up to $500,000 a year from online sales. Having the ability to sell an unlimited number of products is essential for any company looking to make a real profit. Features include everything from third-party to parties, to deals on the day, and a dedicated team of success. One of the most interesting changes coming as part of the Volusion restructuring is the new Prime plan. This is a custom pricing level specifically designed to help businesses create the perfect e-commerce solution that suits their needs. You will need to pay for the privileges you get with the Prime plan, but the benefits include many unlimited features and many upgrades that you cannot get anywhere else. You will need to submit a request for a personalized quota to determine exactly how much you need to pay. The Volusion Prime account functionality is designed to support any store as it grows and transforms. Plus, having a sandbox means you can test all your changes on your e-commerce site before you publish them. You will even be able to maintain loading speed on your busiest days. The most impressive thing about Volusion Prime is the help and support you receive. This is the only plan that provides true VIP support. Volusion now offers 38 premium themes and 7 free themes, all of which you can get and install within a minute. Themes have features like homepage slideshows, page builders, social media sharing, newsletter sign-up forms, and endless scrolling. The free themes they are offering now look just as amazing as some of their most expensive themes, which means that even small businesses can have an amazing web store without breaking the bank. Plus, each premium theme is available for $180, making it a lot easier to wrap your head around how much you're getting to pay. Volusion used to offer editing only via HTML, CSS, and a fairly basic visual designer. This changed with the addition of a drag-and-drop editor. It's also worth noting that many of the Volusion templates, both free and premium, are mobile-friendly for optimal performance across all devices. You can create deals and discounts from your dashboard to get your customers to buy from you more often. In terms of settings, it allows you to set discounts and deal dates, as well as percentage or dollar discounts. Quantity trades are also possible if you plan on doing something like buy one, get one. All pricing tiers come with advanced SEO built right into the store. With SEO optimization, you can quickly get snippets where potential buyers can quickly see things like star ratings, product prices, and stock status directly from search results. This means that while customers are browsing their feeds, they can view and buy your products without leaving Facebook. Another way to attract more customers is through Amazon integration. You can easily manage your Amazon and eBay inventory directly from the Volusion dashboard. Unlike some other platforms, Volusion automatically generates sitemaps for clients to help search engines crawl your site easier.
Volusion also has a built-in shopping submission capabilities, so sellers can list items on major trading systems.
You can accept payments from over 30 different processors. This includes PayPal, Stripe, and Authorize.net, which is a popular payment processor in Europe. You can also sign up for a merchant account and accept credit cards directly through Volusion.
Volusion version 2 allows you to accept payments from more advanced processes like Google Pay and Apple Pay. In-store payment is also possible for retail stores with e-commerce stores. Keep in mind that while you can integrate with many gateways, the only ones built in are Stripe and PayPal.
If you are selling in person for any reason, either at a local store or at an event, then the POS solution will install credit card readers, barcode scanners, and other tools for you that you can use to get the most out of your experience.
Unfortunately, you will not be able to process orders from a tablet or smartphone. You will need a computer, as there is no app for Volusion POS. On the positive side, the Volusion POS system allows store owners to quickly manage and fulfill orders right from the admin area of the store, using functionality of their online store to make sure the customer checks out with ease. The point of sale is a very convenient opportunity for those who work in the brick and mortar shop.
Volusion offers some of the best support in the industry. The company provides 24/7 direct support via phone, chat, or email for all plans except the mini plan, which only gets 24/7 online support. Plus, Pro and Platinum members get priority support, which reduces waiting times. We're making more videos for you, so stay tuned.